Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change date and time for your speaker JBL Horizon 3. And basically we have two options. We can use an application or we can manually change it at the speaker. And let's get started by use the app, open JBL One application, and of course you need to add your speaker to the application. Then you will see it at the device list and you need to tap at the speaker and scroll down. At the bottom you need to find product settings and tap at this line. Then go to tight and date, and right here we can enable auto sync with DAB or with a mobile device or disable it. It's up to you. Let's say I use with a mobile device, and now you can check that it changed. Now it used this date and time what I have at my phone. But as I said previously, we can use also a speaker and manually change it, but you cannot change it when you select auto sync with your device. So you need to or swap to with DAB or disable auto synchronization. Now at your speaker at the top we have access menu button right here, and you need to press one time at this button. Then at the top we have this knob and you need to just turn it clockwise to select date and time, then press on it. And now let's start with the date. As you can see, now I enable to auto synchronization, and right here I cannot change it. I just press on it, nothing happened. Now let me disable it, and now you just press at the date if you want to, and you turn this wheel clockwise or counterclockwise. It depends what you want to do. Then you press to swap to the months, and the same you just or turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. And then you press again and we have year. So right here we can also set year. After year you press and you will return in this menu with date and time. Now let's move to the date. At the same, just turn clockwise, then swap to the minutes and also set it here, then press again, and we have also, my bad, and now we have a time format, and you have 24-hour, or you can press on it and set it to 12-hour. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!